Hey there. If you've been around the crypto space for a while, you've probably heard about layer 1, layer 2, or even layer 0 solutions. But what do these layers really mean, and why do we need them? In today's video, we're going to break it all down for you in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what altchains are, how these layers work, and how they impact the future of blockchain technology. So, before diving into the layers, let's first talk about altchains. Altchains, short for alternative blockchains, are any blockchain that isn't Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was the first, many others like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot emerged, each with their own unique features, use cases, and consensus mechanisms. Some focus on faster transaction speeds, others on scalability, while others prioritize security or decentralization. Altchains exist because no one blockchain is perfect. Different chains solve different problems. But sometimes, even these altchains face limitations like slow speeds or high transaction costs. That's where these layers come into play. All right, now let's get into the layers, starting with layer 1. Layer 1 is the base layer or the main blockchain in a network. Think of it as the foundation of a house. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum are both layer 1 blockchains. All the basic functions like processing transactions, validating data, and securing the network happen at this level. But here's the problem. As more people use these networks, they tend to slow down and get congested. Imagine a crowded highway at rush hour. The more cars on the road, the slower everyone moves. The same thing happens with layer 1 blockchains when too many transactions are trying to be processed at the same time. This is why scalability is such a big issue for layer 1s. While Ethereum can handle about 15-30 transactions per second, newer layer 1s like Solana and Avalanche are trying to improve on that by increasing their transaction throughput and reducing costs. Now, let's talk about layer 2, which is all about solving the congestion problem on layer 1. A layer 2 solution is built on top of a layer 1 blockchain to improve its efficiency. Think of it as an express lane on that crowded highway. It helps the traffic flow faster without having to build an entirely new road. The idea behind layer 2 is to offload some of the transaction processing from layer 1 so that the main blockchain doesn't get overwhelmed. Some popular layer 2 solutions include Bitcoin's Lightning Network and Ethereum's Polygon, Base, Optimism, or Arbitrum. These solutions allow for faster and cheaper transactions by batching them together or processing them off-chain. This means that users can still rely on the security and decentralization of the layer 1 network while enjoying a smoother and cheaper experience. So, if we have layer 1 and layer 2, what's layer 0? This might be new to some of you because it's a more recent concept. Layer 0 is the layer beneath layer 1. Think of it as the foundation of the entire blockchain ecosystem. It enables different blockchains to communicate with each other, creating an internet of blockchains, if you will. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are good examples of layer 0 solutions. They provide the framework for building multiple layer 1 blockchains that can easily connect and share information with each other. This interoperability is a big deal because it helps solve one of the major challenges in blockchain, the inability of different blockchains to talk to each other. With layer 0 solutions, we could eventually see a world where Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and others can seamlessly exchange data, assets, and even applications, making the entire blockchain space more interconnected and efficient. Now you might be wondering, why do we even need these layers? Can't we just make layer 1 better? Well, the truth is, scalability, security, and decentralization are all tough to balance. This is called the blockchain trilemma, a term coined by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. No single blockchain can be perfect in all three areas without making trade-offs. Layer 1s focus on decentralization and security, but often struggle with scalability. Layer 2s improve scalability without compromising security. And Layer 0s enable better interoperability between different Layer 1s. So, these layers are about specialization. Each one solves a specific problem, working together to create a more efficient and scalable blockchain ecosystem. And there you have it, a simple breakdown of what altchains are and how Layer 0, Layer 1, and Layer 2 solutions fit into the picture. These layers are crucial to scaling blockchain technology, solving some of the biggest challenges like speed, cost, and interoperability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.